shop working on the Jacobsen. As you guys seen the last video, we got that seat where we want it. It's in there right now. It's just dry fit. I'm happy with the way it sits. And now we're starting on the middle console, getting that battery box middle console all installed and fabricated and done. And so then we can move forward and get this engine all in there and start working on the hood and the gas tank and get this engine started and get this tractor fired up. And you know, it's getting there. I'm excited. It's getting closer, and bit by bit we'll get there. So hopefully you guys enjoy the video, and let's get right into it. Okay everyone, I'm back. I got my welder and everything set up, so I'm just going to give you guys a little rundown of what I'm going to do and what my plan is. It's all in my brain. I got nothing down on paper, so I'm just going with the flow, and that's what I'm doing. So I'm going to show you guys what I got planned and what I'm going to do and my sort of my design for the glove box and battery box. And you know, it's getting closer, getting excited. Can't wait till this bad boy is going and we're on the trails and having some fun. So I'm going to show you guys what I'm about to start doing, and then I'm going to put you guys on a little speed trial, and then I'll get you guys back and then we'll be welding. So let me show you guys what I'm doing. Sorry about moving the camera on you guys. So right there, as you guys see on the bottom there, I'm just going to do some flat bar right there, over there, right there, and one right there. That's going to be my bottom. And then I'm going to do pretty much the exact same thing, a little bit different design for the top piece. And it might go down a little bit of an angle. I'm not sure exactly, but we're going to get that done today, and we're going to move forward and get this tractor moving. So I'm going to put you guys on speed trial. Piece all cut and I bent it. I just scorched the metal there. Made a couple little notches in it so I could bend it nice, so I get nice corners on it, not all around it. So I did that, and I just got to do 2 little welds on here, get it on the tractor, see where it sits, and then weld it to the bottom plate there, because the middle console is going to be in there. It's not going to be able to be taken out or removed. It's going to be the main support, one of the main supports for the extra support for the console there, the front part and the back body there, and it's just going to add extra support, and so everything's just going to bolt into that, and nothing's going to be welded into the middle console itself. The tractor, the frame of the tractor is going to be welded to the middle console. That's about it. So I'm about to get welded here, and all done here. I'll show you guys in the camera once it cools off here. Let's go here. Okay, I'm gonna move the camera over here so you guys get a better view of what we're doing here. Some welding stuff here. What my idea is here, if you guys see a better idea, I gotta take this bolt out here though. This will go like this. Weld it in there. You know, make it nice and flush, weld it good. So that's how that's gonna go. So I'm gonna get that bolt out there and then get that all welded in there. Okay, I got that one piece in place where I want it. Now I just need to do a couple of tack welds and I gotta put the other side in there and get that piece in there. Guess I gotta get the other side on there and then finish up my welds. That bottom piece in there for the most part. I still gotta do a little bit of welding on there, clean up on there, but right now it's in there. It's welded in there right now, and now I'm just gonna start on the top piece there. I know for sure I'm going to run out of metal, so I'm going to get what I can done in this video, and then the next video I'm just gonna have to continue on what I left off on and go from there, I guess. So I'm trying to get this piece all cut down and get it ready for the tractor and get it put in there. Don't break, you son of a bitch. Okay, I just gotta do 2 little welds on there, and that should be good. And my level. Okay, I got that piece done now. Just need to mark where I want to drill my holes. Oh, you son of a bitch. Okay, everyone, I got what I can get done today. I ran out of metal. I used up last bit of my scraps. I got that all in there. I still got to do the one side of the battery box, glove box, and then I got to do the one side, yeah, and then I got to do the sheet metal on it. And then other than that, it's going to be good, and then I can move forward and get this engine all done and get the new motor mounts built and stuff like that. I'll show you guys what I got done today. I know I didn't get all that much done today, but you know, I can do what I can do. I'm trying to get a video out every week to you guys, and I'm going to try eventually get 2 out a week, but right now I'm just going to do 1 a week and then plug away at the tractor and get what we can get done, right? Okay, everyone, I think that's going to be a video for today. I got done what I can get done on the Jacobsen today. I got the middle console battery box halfway done. I did run out of supplies. I apologize. I wanted to get that done today, but I ran out of supplies. You know, it's a common thing, but we'll manage, and we'll pick up where we left off in the next video and get that done. It won't take me long to finish that. It's just the one side to do and figure out what else I want to do with the middle console and the battery box. And then it's moving forward and getting this engine installed, hopefully, and get the new motor mounts and everything built. So I got some big surprises coming on the next videos with this Jacobsen, and hopefully on the next videos coming up soon, we will have this thing running. Not drivable yet, but we will have it running. I want to get everything in there, fit it nice, snug, where I want it to where I want it to be, and then we will strip it down once again and do a final paint and final assembly and get this thing back together and then take it on the trail. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. I know I apologize, it wasn't all that much. I want to keep you guys entertained. I want to keep these videos coming weekly, so I had to get a video out there this week. I want to get one out to you guys every week for you guys, and you know, and show you guys the progress on the Jacobsen, because you know, I'm getting pretty excited. Like I said in the intro, I'm getting really excited. I want this thing going, and I want to be going on the trail. And I got some surprises when this thing gets going. Like, we are going to go and have some fun, and we're going to go take this thing bush camping, mountain climbing, whatever else we want to get ourselves into with it. We are going to do it. And we're going to have fun doing it. And you know what? The best part about it is, everyone, you guys are all going to be coming with me on the journey. So stick with me through this journey, because I got some surprises coming up for you guys. And also, make sure you like, subscribe, and even hit that bell notification, because you guys will get all up-to-date videos and all upcoming videos and all the progress on the Jacobsen. You guys won't miss anything. It doesn't take too long. It takes 1 second. Click that bell notification, and even at the right side, down on the right side, bottom of the screen, hit that subscribe button. It helps out my channels, and it gets this channel going. Hopefully everyone enjoyed the video, and until the next video, you guys all take care. Cheers.